Alright, so आज हम कर रहे हैं DIT यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज रिव्यू. So why DIT यूनिवर्सिटी? हम DIT यूनिवर्सिटी क्यों जाए भैया? Well, there would be many reasons. First reason, मौसम. Second reason, मसूरी के बहुत पास है. Third reason, मौसम. मसूरी के बहुत पास है. कुल मिला के यही दो reasons है. बाकी जो reasons हैं उनके बारे में थोड़ी देर में बात करेंगे. So this college review will be divided into two parts. इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे about the admission process, faculties, infrastructure, your academic curriculum and the examinations, and the most important thing you want to know about this college, the placements. So I am Akshar Rathi, a third year computer science student in DIT University, and we will talk about all these things in detail. So let's jump right into it. Talking about admission process काफ़ी easy है DIT University का. You just have to go to their website. वहाँ पे जाके आपको register करना है. Register करने के बाद they will contact you via WhatsApp or by just calling you to ask you about your documents to verify them. Once your documents are verified, they will provide you with some link for further admission process. Then they will provide you all the information regarding all the available resources in the college. Resources? All the available programs in the college and fee structure and the scholarship scheme according to your 12th percentage. Well, if any one of you want कि मैं आपको guide करूँ through the admission process, you can DM me on Instagram and I'll make sure I'll reply you within a minute. एक मिनट से ज़्यादा हो जाए तो don't mind. Yeah, okay. Like talking about infrastructure, the infrastructure is quite good, but the campus itself is not that big, and that's what she said. But yeah, classrooms, library, auditoriums, all are quite good and well maintained, as you would expect from a private college, which is just trying to empty your pockets. Talking about faculty is good. मैं क्या कहूँ,
मुझे बोलना नहीं आता.
बाकी आप समझ गए होंगे. Talking about classes and academic curriculum. Your classes starts at 9. They can reach up to 4 to 5 p.m. in the evening. But don't you worry guys, क्योंकि lunch break भी होता है बीच में and you get other breaks other than your lunch break, which is quite good if you have classes from 9 to 6. Academics is decent in our college. It's easy to score 8+ CGPA if you start preparing for your exams a couple of weeks before. But mostly syllabus तो तुम्हें एक रात पहले cover करना है, सुधरोगे तो नहीं तुम. Let's talk about placements. Talking about placements, I would say हो जाती है ठीक ठाक placements. I'm not very sure जो वेबसाइट पे CTC लिखा हुआ है वो ऑन कैंपस है ऑफ कैंपस, बट आई कैन से दैट कंपनीज डू विजिट इन आवर कॉलेज एंड द नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज विजिटिंग इन आवर कॉलेज हैव इंक्रीज्ड इन पास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स. Although our university have not updated the placement records after 2022, but I know for a reason that placements हो जाते हैं given the fact that you study enough. Alright, so this is it for this video, and if you want to know more about DIT University's hostel, mess, sports facilities and other miscellaneous stuff, stay tuned for the next video. If you have any query, you can DM me on Instagram or just simply put a comment on this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel because your super senior is saying you to do it, juniors, given the fact that you will end up in this college.